when we have our references, what we should do is we should try to understand the model. We should see the entire model, and first we should understand and feel, and try to take in terms of the measurement of the model. So, according to you, what would be the area, the width and height? What do you guys feel? What would be the area of this? Like this 20, and like this R, like this 25, and like this around 20 or 15, right? What is the height of the house basically? Huh? 40. See, this is 12 feet. This is 12 feet. One door feet is 7 feet. From door, you will have maximum in India. This is a commercial building. Commercial building, they will give 12. Okay. Residential building, they will give 11 or 10 maximum, because the fan has distance from around 3 feet of the person. If you keep one chair in the down, so you can easily touch your fan, right? That is the funda. That is the height that we have to have a measurement. Now, I am not taking a measurement as assets, but having my understanding before to start the model, I should have a brief idea about the model, which references that we are taking, and what is the references we are starting out, and how we are going to block it. The base funda is in Maya what I will do is, on your grid, display count poly count. I'll half this and switch on your grid. You have a grid box, right? 10, 10 and 10. Now this is 10 by 10. This is there. If you set and see the files, your grid settings it's there in centimeters. So I'll keep into feet, right? Feet grid. Now this is in feet grid. So what I will do, 15 by, so still it is taking the same grid. Now create a poly. Create a poly. This is 1 feet box. This is 1 feet box. So what I will do here, I'll keep around 15 and 10. This is the width and height. 15 is not enough, so what I will do, I'll go with 20 and 15. 15, 20 and 15. This is the grid area that I am going to play. This is 0.1, 0.1, bevel. So according to the reference here, it is a little bit of bevel in the ground. So this is not 1, this is 0.2 is enough, or 0.3 is enough, right? 20, and here 25, and this is 20. So this is a good number, and you will have a ground. Which is the ground? This is the ground. So in order to take this model to the reference area, so what will I do is bring this is here, and front area import image, import your image, get where is that image, this is very small, scale it here like this, scale it and keep it here. Now this is your reference, little back, control H, control H. Now 0.06 6 and try to take one. Now what you do is box 20 by 20 by 22 by 22 by 3. This is 10, 15, 23 by here 3. 3 is not enough, 2, because the height, can you see this height? Can you see this height? Okay, and keep it here. Little bit move this is to back side and give front main little area. We should move the area according to us, our requirement. Vertices 1. For time being, what I will do is down may select the first one and keep this. This is the best idea to switch on the eye. Why? Delete. Delete the layer. Bring. I thought of image. I have kept it inside. So keep this is and switch on this. Now see here, when it is required, the polygon you can bring back. Not much. This much is fine. Okay. So this is fine. Control D, and what I should do? Take it up. Again scale it here, again scale and do little bit of depth on the object. You can switch on this, the depth button, the occlusion one, and try to keep it here. So here I am not doing anything, I am just blocking it and trying to understand how the model shape is going on. So the model shape is very important for me in order to understand. First job is not the working on the model, only working on the blocking that you are having it. And I have told you, control D, what would be the house height I have told you? It is there. So check this is. So check this is, and here 10. The height is 10. So this is the height. Now front के लिए I need some pace. Can you see? For front में I need little bit of pace. Create this pace. Create this pace. If you want, bring little bit front is up to here, and take this is also, and bring pace is little bit here. So you'll get exactly the shape, depth shape. So now take this is at the same time paste, take same duplicate copy of this, keep it here, and the floor may here your job you have to change it. So what you have to do, take this area and do scale. Can you see this depth? Depth, scale, scale like this, and try to take little bit up. Now here your job starts. What is that? Bevel. Beveling is your job. Select this area, this one, this one, this one, and this one. All three. You should have little bit depth. Bevel it. This is too much. Bevel is too much. So try to create 0.1, and here 1, 2, 1, 2. Now your job is not only to do that. Here your job is to create a plane. Control D. Blocking is very important here. Blocking is very important. Hire one connection. 1, 2, 2. In faces, push it down. Both the side you got this, you got the shape of the model. What you have created? Nothing. You just have created shape of the model. The first thing is, in your job when you are blocking, this is called blocking. This is shape of the object. Shape of the object only you have created. Sir, now how we should remove them, or how we should try to mingle them in the model? There are different techniques. So time being, I'll tell you one. So here you have a boolean, correct? Correct? Keep both the models are here like this, exactly on this area. Select this to, what is that? Union. No, select back and differs. Difference. In difference mein this is going. Now this is may both the going, and here this is leaving up the left. So it is very easy for you right now, multi-cut from 1 to enter 1 and 2, enter 1 and 2, enter 1 and 2. One minute, guys. So you have added connections are like this. Now inner loops model, later on we can extrude it. We don't want those connections right now for a time being. Delete it. Delete inner model and outer model also, and remove this face. Can you see? Now you can extrude it. Here also, see, anyhow this model is going to come and stop that. That is fine. But now, in order to decide this is also, we should work carefully. So how we should work carefully? This is the area, multi-cut 1, multi-cut 2. This is bit confusing method, but you have to adopt it because you guys want Chinese style house, so you have to learn Chinese style model making techniques. So take this, here you should go up, and first two things is you should delete this. Delete. And delete. Any doubts? Now the real thing will start. Sir, you might ask me, sir, how you will close this? Here you have a model, right? Right? You have a model is here. This is your model. Exactly. Now from here your this window is going to come, or image edges, plane, take one plane, up, rotate how much degree? 90 degree, and reduce this polygon to 0. And what you should do, you should take this and merge and 1 2. Correct? Now matter is only the depth. You got right now. Blocking, the first round blockings are done around minus 90 degree. Reverse. Any doubts? This is the first round of blocking, how the shape will come. This is a shape blocking. Now each part from down or start or middle, we have to start working on the detail part. This is the blocking. Do you want me to stop it here or continue?